Okay, I'm back here again. I returned. It's 18 degrees outside. The last time I tried here, just one was running. And I'm going to go over to these Lennox units over here. I don't hear any running. Can you hold it for a sec? Here's this one. This one's not been running. This one is not running. Even this one. Even this one, not running. And this one, yes. Yep. This one had a long time ago though. Here's this one, also. Here's the one that I got a shutdown of, but it's not running. Been running, but I don't see a swing, so it probably has been running. Yep. Okay, go that's 2009 Lennox and that 2009 Samsung. Okay. Just keeps cutting out. Can you lift me up to see the Lennox? Here's the 2009 Lennox. Can you hold it so I can know? Ew, that has a very nice sound. It's not been running. I'm gonna go back over there. That Samsung needs to be replaced. Okay.
That's it. There. See what the difference is? Which way are we going to go?
This way.
Which way? This way?
That way. Okay. That Samsung is running normal. That Lennox has not been running. There are a few units that I haven't showed last time. This way, I'm gonna cross this.
This street. Yeah. There you go. Just tilt. Like this. Like this, see?
Okay. I'm going to look at this tree.
See where you're going.
Yeah, this tree looks beautiful. I'm gonna go back to that Lennox unit. That Lennox was not on. Not been running. That one felt like. That one that I got shut down of felt like it has been. But that probably one has been on a long time ago though. A very long ago been on. Go over here. Gonna go back to this. I'm gonna go back to the Lennox again. Not running. This Lennox never runs. I'm gonna go over here. This is the first time I've ever seen that given off. Here. Look, I've never seen this unit off before.
Back up there so you can see, get a better angle. Look. There
Yeah.
you go.
a car coming. Back at this thermal zone. Seems like it has came on. It's running. I go over to the section. Look, it's rolling. It's been rolling. Yep, this one's been rolling.
Look at the video.
2007. When's it from?
I don't know. What does it say?
I don't see it.
Yeah, let's go to another one.
It's rolling.
And we'll point the camera up, right? So
Yep.
you can see where you're walking, like that. Point it down again.
Okay.
Do that way.
Good. This one's been rolling. Yep, been rolling. Back to that York again. It's still not been on. Still off. Maybe it did come on. Here's this York. This one's been rolling. Can you hold it real quick while I go? Not been rolling. This one. 2021.
You're pointing it up. You're pointing it down again, right?
Right here?
Yeah, let's see. Just
I-
tilt it, Nathan.
What can I?
Like this. Look. Look. See what I'm doing? Like this.
Okay, let me go over there. Oh, didn't. Going at pretty high speed. There is going a bit different. The last time I was here, it just came on. Lennox didn't come on. It's very bad. Yep. Yep, this game is still off. Come on. First time. This is the first
Yeah, let's
time
keep walking.
I've seen that on in October.
Pointing at the ground again, right?
I'm pointing at the sky.
You don't point up like that. Just tilt it. There you go. You're looking great.
Where's that other sound coming from? Okay. Here's another unit. Just looks like the old unit. It's not on. With 4 blades. Not been running. See, look, it has 4 blades. It's pretty cool.
So show people like this, right? Oh, there it is.
New fan motor, by the way. Pretty cool.
Hold like that with your wrist. There you go.
The last time I
Now
was
you
there,
got it.
that Goodman was on. I hear one. That car just. Can you lift me up, please? 2 blades.
Show people.
Yep, I hear something just came on back there. I'll go back there. I'll go back there later. I'm gonna go to that Duquesne down
Do
there.
this with your wrist, right? Perfect. Where's the Duquesne?
Up there, I'm gonna run over there.
Okay.
I think that Goodman came on.
We should make a shorter video today.
It's going to be 17 minutes this time. It's going to be 6 minutes shorter.
Max maximize that advertising.
Okay. But Lennox is still not on. And the thing in it is, I think, might be closed. It's not been on. Can I please look at it?
See the pavement, right? Let them see the road. Yeah, it's way better.
That's. And there might be a few new units here, which probably are going to be 2023 ones. The ground.
Okay.
The tree.
Crossing here.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
I'm gonna go see if any of those lamps is turned on. I think that lamps is probably still off. Well, I'm gonna see if any of the lamps is
The
turned
ones
on.
that we just saw? Oh,
Yeah.
what happened? People want to see new stuff.
I'm just trying to check if any of them turned on. We're gonna go see.
We can check on our way back if we turn on, okay?
If that zero zone was going pretty slow to the right, when a person with my own eyes goes at pretty high speed, Dad. Spinning at pretty high speed. Pretty fast. It did come on. It just came on. I'm gonna see the air conditioner down there. Gonna be real quick. I'll try and find one. I need to go down these stairs. And there's lots of garbage here. So gray.
I don't think they have one.
Oh,
Or it's on the roof. That would make sense, right? It's on the roof.
yes. Actually, it's going to be like 18 minutes and 22 seconds. There's a walkway. I'm filling air conditioners around. I'm re-pushing it.
You gotta wait now. Should we cross over here?
Yep. Oh! Did you think there would have been an arrow?
No. Isn't always.
But most of the time it is. The one at Brandon's intersection, those two are all done. Yep. I pushed the other one. That'll control it. Brand new 2023 button.
I think you got it.
See, I didn't need to.
Should I run across?
Yep. Hustle. Let's play the hustle game.
Good.
We were just playing the hustle game. Hustle. There are just a few I found running. Just trying to click. Hey, there's a 2000 up here. Gonna go see that broken train. We're gonna go see that. Broken train. We have to cross
Oh, is he right across?
Yep. The road is just close, but the sidewalk isn't. The sidewalk remains open. You still have to walk. Walking is legal here. So,
Yes, remember?
hey, just tell me how to point it. Construction fence. I'm not going to go past that.
Show a picture of the building. Got another one. Not a construction. Wow, that was so slow.
Here's the Duquesne. And here's the one that I did not get to show last time I was here. Few construction. Right here. Cool. Let's cross.
Straight or left?
We're going this way.
Which way? So?
This way.
This way.
No, this way.
You don't go on a straight angle like that.
Isn't that dangerous? Stop right here.
Where are we going?
Here. Here's the. Here's the Duke. Here's a Duquesne 4-blade fan. That's been running. I'm gonna go to the carriers. I'm going to go to those, that old carrier and that newer 2017 carrier and that 2007 carrier. I'm gonna go see if any turned on lately. This is carrier comfort. Carrier. First carrier I've seen in here all year. Look at this carrier. Blue logo. Cool. Over here. Here are the carriers. Here's this carrier. Been on. I'll go back to those. I'm going to make 2 videos today.
One's off.
Okay. Here's the movement. Going at very high speed. This key ride's off. It's shorter. Just 19. I'm going to the this Goodman.
No, away from the car. Let's go. Move on.
I'm just going to see that
Go on to
one.
another one. Move on.
Can you just let me see that?
No, there's too many cars.
That one went at a pretty.
We'll go to those ones, then one video, right? Because it's almost been 30 minutes.
Yep.
This is on the wall.
This one? Oh, here's this one again. It's on. Oh. Still not on. Went pretty fast. Goodman. The ones I saw on pre-speed ones. These are Lennoxes. Let's see.
Why don't you sign off?
Not
Minute
yet.
21.